This is Frigo Pie, who we called Freddie because Frigo Pie doesn't really mean anything to anybody outside of Orihuela. What is Frigo Pie?
It's a type of ice cream.
A type of ice cream?
Brand, yeah.
Ah, frigo as in frigorifico.
Yeah, and Pie because it's got
a foot.
It's like a foot, yeah.
So it's a fridge foot.
Yeah.
Well, why didn't we just call him fridge foot?
Because it's something we all had when we were young.
Yeah. Okay, so that's Frigo Pie. Of course, there are lots of ice creams in England that there's a rocket, which is shaped like a rocket. Good. This is Frigo Pie. This is Frigo Pie, who's ever so young, and he has deformed front legs. And we are, our vet has said that possibly when he's older, he will need treatment, pain relief treatment for arthritis. So, but he's such an affectionate dog, isn't he?
Yeah.
You know, we're not going to hold it against him.
He's wonderful.
He's lovely, isn't he?
Yeah.
So his name's Frigo Pie in Spain, but we've called him Freddie. Hello, mate. What a super boy. And there you are, two boys together. My kind of party. And there we are. There's Freddie.